Hello my fam, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing quite a few items that I've picked up in the last few weeks. So something from Chanel, Gucci. I can't wait to tell you about the Gucci item. You are not going to believe what I scored and the price I got it at. Balenciaga, Valentino, and also Chloe. Yes, something new from Chloe. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. Thank you for joining me. I would love for you to join my YouTube fam, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and just hit that bell so you are notified every time I upload. I love it when you guys are like first, early squad. It just makes me so happy. Just wanted to quickly show you what I'm wearing in today's outfit, and what I love to do is belt up scarves. So this is actually hubby, so I've just borrowed it and I belted it up with my Gucci Marmont Pearl belt, and what I'm wearing underneath is my Balmain tee, which I love. I actually love the ones with the sleeve better than the sleeveless because I think it's more flattering. Because it's autumn and it's warmer during the day, if it does get cool at night, one thing I love to do with my scarves is with the Burberry scarf, you can actually just make it into a shawl. So if you make that into a shawl like that and then belt it up like this, you can just belt it a little bit lower if you want. That is just another way of wearing your items, which I love as well. So the first item comes in this box. It's all the way from the UK, and I actually bought this from Farfetch. Now, something really exciting I cannot wait to share with you is that this video is in partnership with Farfetch. However, it is not sponsored. You guys know I am always transparent, so it was important to me that I let you know this, because you know what? I wouldn't have these opportunities without you guys. So what Farfetch offered me was that they gave me a voucher, so I picked up a few items with that voucher, and anything remaining I just paid with my own money. And for those of you that have been following me for ages, you already know that I am a big Farfetch customer. I have bought so many items from them, and I've got some amazing pieces that I absolutely love. So of course I'm going to look out for my fam, and I asked them, can I please get a code for my followers? And they kindly agreed. And if you enter the code Mel in Melbourne, it will entitle you to 10% off any full price, any sale, pretty much 10% off nearly anything on the website except for Gucci, Fendi, and a few high jewelry brands. But I'm just so excited because there are so many things that sometimes are marked permanent collection or really hot pieces like from Saint Laurent or Balenciaga or Valentino that don't go on sale. So this is the best time to use the 10% off code. I'll probably be using it myself to pick up pieces. And you know what? If you're buying like a $3,000 bag, $300 is like getting another card holder. For those of you that haven't heard about Farfetch, what I love about Farfetch and why it's different to, say, other online retailers is that what they do is they connect shoppers like us to all these different boutiques all around the world. So when you order from them, you could get things from UK, Italy, or from France, or from USA. So it's like this massive marketplace where really we can just it's almost like us shopping from all boutiques around the world. And because of that, there is a huge range of luxury pieces you can choose from. And they ship to like 190 countries or something like that weekly. Anyway, let me show you what I picked up. And as I said, it's from Balenciaga. So you get something like this from them, which is just, if you need to return, the return process is so easy. But I actually haven't picked up anything from Balenciaga before. When I saw this, I was like, cute. And it is this Balenciaga tee. And the reason why I went for it is for two reasons. One, you guys know that I was looking to add another luxury tee to my collection. If you haven't seen my 2019 wishlist video, I will link it above. The second reason is that I love the color and the fit. A lot of the t-shirts, though I love it, is usually oversized or a bit looser. I love that this one is fitted because besides wearing this with denim, I also would wear this with like a big skirt and a belt. So as you can see me trying it on, it is really fitted. I bought this in a small, and I would say it runs true to size. So I just like that this particular one is a little bit more of a slim fit, and that's why I went for it. Plus, it being this gorgeous deep red, with Australia being autumn now and going to winter, I can definitely put a big chunky cardigan over it, and it works really well. I mean, this color will work really well all year round. And oh, of course, price, because you know I reveal it, this was 580 Australian dollars. But like I mentioned, guys, Everything from Balenciaga, you can use the 10% off code. So I know that some of those really hot shoes and some of the t-shirts really go on sale. So it's a really good opportunity to pick this up. And I find that with Balenciaga tees, they're sort of, I mean, it's so expensive for a designer t-shirt, but they're sort of a bit more to the mid-price end because there are a lot more t-shirts that can be so much more expensive. But I was sort of debating between this one, and I love this other one, which I want to show you too, which is the Saint Laurent one. If I didn't own this gorgeous Balmain tee, which Balmain's also 10% off, I would have picked this black Saint Laurent tee because I think that's so chic as well and so a bit edgy. But because I have this, I wanted to go for this color instead. So the second item I picked up from Farfetch is in this box. So I have actually taken it out of the box already, and it is a pair of Valentino shoes. I have not bought a pair of Valentino shoes in so long, but you will see why when I unbox it. So Valentino shoes always come with this little, I think this is like just a care booklet, I think. Let me just have a quick peek. Yes, it's just like a care booklet. It comes with the dust bag and these gorgeous logo sandals. So I am really loving the new Valentino logo. So I've seen this logo on their shoes, on belts, on a lot of their bags. And personally, I think it's pretty cool. I'm glad that Valentino sort of came up with something a bit new because I think that they probably needed it. Guys, I have already tried this on. As you can see me wearing them, they're just classic. I mean, you can't go wrong with black and gold. For me, I like a little bit of a heel. So this is a very small heel, as you can see. It's only like maybe about 5 centimeters, I would say. But if you are not a heel person, it does come in flats. I love this tan version in flats as well. I do want to tell you that in this, I picked up a 37.5. So I'm a 37.5 and I went for this in the 37.5. But I have actually tried the flat version on and I can fit into a 37 in the flats, just for sizing reference. I just think this type of shoe is so classic. I don't foresee them getting rid of this logo anytime soon. And yeah, I just think you should check out their range. I will obviously link everything that I've mentioned in the description bar below. I didn't actually see this in the Valentino boutiques. They have the flat versions. So I only saw that Farfetch actually had this sandal version, and this was 1,040 Australian dollars. But likewise, as I said, there is 10% off Valentino too. So next up is something from Chloe. Now, you guys know I don't buy Chloe very often. I can't say I'm a huge fan of their handbags, though there was a couple of handbags this season. I was like, that's not bad. But I do like their shoes, as you can see. I have not seen this style before, and I saw it in the pics, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I love. So let me show you what I picked up. So it comes with two dust bags, two really thick dust bags, and some care instructions. And I got, it's wrapped really nicely. Just take it out. You've got to keep this label attached if, just say, you wanted to return it. Let me just take this out. And it is these Chloe logo wedges. How gorgeous are these? I was actually looking for something in a neutral colorway. Wedges are so comfortable, and this is going to go so well with my new Loewe hammock bag and some of my tan bags. So I just really, really like the look of them. And as you can see me wearing it, how gorgeous do these look? I just think I don't have anything like this. And I picked these up in a size 38. So for reference, I am a 37.5. So for these ones, size up half a size, because I just think because they're higher up, I always tend to size up half a size. And luckily I did, because they just fit perfectly. And these wedges were 817 Australian dollars. Now I quickly went online to have a check for you, and if you see your size and it's a different price to say a different size, the reason is that Farfetch items sell out really quickly. And so if one of their partners have sold out of this item, maybe another boutique will stock it. That's why the prices sometimes can vary depending on size. And that's why you can pick up some really great bargains, because depending on where the item comes from, there might be a boutique that they're trying to get rid of their last like 36, for example. So you might see the 36 at like $700, but then you see the 38, 39, and 40 at like 750. That's what makes them sort of a bit different to everyone else. Like there's a lot of range and their pricing structure differs a little bit like that. So I wanted to tell you about that too. And I'm really glad I can add this to my shoe collection, because I think that this sort of neutral colorway and wedges is something I can pair with so many of my dresses, which you guys know I'm a huge dress girl. So these are going to be great for the warmer months. I also wanted to let you guys know, because as I went on the website to check, things sell out so quickly. Sometimes they can come back in stock. I didn't see this when I picked these items up a couple of weeks ago. And I kind of have a couple of things in my cart, so I wanted to share with you. And one of them is the YSL clutch. I'm going to put a picture up for here for you. Guys, this is really, really well priced. Like, I love YSL card holders. I haven't bought one yet, but I'm thinking of adding this or even buying this as a present for one of my friends. The reason is this is $450. It is like 20 centimeters long, so you can fit like a bigger sized iPhone, and it's 450 Australian dollars. So their card holders are about $400. So having a clutch for $450 and then you get your 10% off, I thought that was worth mentioning. I know that this style has sold out because I was looking for this a couple of weeks ago and I saw that they just restocked it, so I had to tell you. The other item that I'm also eyeing, which I love, is this Loewe card holder. You guys know when I brought you shopping with me in Loewe, I was showing you some of their gorgeous card holders, because I find Loewe card holders so well priced. And blue's my favorite color. It's this beautiful mixture of blues. It's the puzzle card holder. I think that there's only one or two left. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking of buying this as well because I just love it. And I'm a sucker for small leather goods. So I just want to tell you about that because, you know, there's a discount on them. And I also had a few of you message me about the Fendi Twilly that I showed, you know, a couple of months ago, and I haven't been able to find it online. I did see that Farfetch have it. Fendi is not included in the sale, but I love this Twilly. So it's this one here with the FF logo, and the F sort of like graduates. So half of it is sort of like a leopard print and then the FF print. And this is just so versatile. I've used it as a Twilly for my pochette métisse. I've used it as a neck scarf. I've used it on my Fendi bags. So I just wanted to let you know because this is the only online retailer I've seen that has this. So if you were interested, I'll just link it below. And next is something in this bag here. It's a very big bag for a little box, but that's because my sister went overseas recently and she knows that I love Chanel earrings. So yes, it is earrings. And I could not believe that she found this. I missed out on this piece a year and a bit ago, and the boutique had just one left, and she's like, did you want any earrings? And I haven't been buying as much Chanel earrings because I am getting a lot pickier with it, but let me show you what style it is. It is just so, so pretty. I cannot believe that she found it because, yeah, they're like a year old. Oh, look, they've still got the tag. It's from 18S, so spring, summer of 2018. So yeah, like a year ago. They are these gorgeous pair. I will do a close-up of droplet earrings. So it's sort of like pear-shaped droplet with these little CCs. I just think they are so elegant, so pretty. When they did release this a year ago, they did come up with a massive big droplet version, but I was looking for these little ones, and I think the Melbourne boutique only got a couple in, so I missed out. And now I've got them, so I'm so wrapped. Because my sister bought a few things from Chanel, she's actually got the receipt, so I'm not 100% sure how much it costs, but from memory, I think when I transferred her the money, it was around $500-ish dollars, and that's usually Chanel pricing. It can start from anywhere from $400, you know, right up to over $1,000, but I think these were about $500-ish. And the final item I have to show you is from Gucci, but it's not from the store. I cannot believe I found this, but it's something I picked up from eBay, but it was brand new with tags, and I just can't believe I won the auction. Let me just show you guys. It is, oh my goodness, this Gucci bomber jacket. Well, the Gucci floral silk bomber jacket. As you can see, they've still got all the tags on it. And it's actually a size, usually I am a 40 in Gucci, and this is a 38. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to watch the auction. Let's just see. Because I remember seeing this maybe like a year and a half or 2 years ago. I was sort of like eyeing it. I always wanted a Gucci bomber jacket. Anyway, I know that Gucci bomber jackets, I actually went and researched this one, and they usually go for about 3,000, 4,000 Australian dollars. So really expensive. I won the auction and I paid, it's still expensive, guys, but I was wrapped because, yeah, it's brand new. I paid $1,420 for this. And so that's like 60% off, and it is a little bit more fitted. Obviously, this is usually one size down from what I usually wear, but I think it's so cute. I actually really like how it's fitted because I want to wear it with like skinny jeans, or I think it would be so cute even with like a, tulle skirt or something like that. And it's just perfect for autumn now. How beautiful. Let me just show you. And one thing about Gucci Floral is if you ever wanted to invest in Gucci ready to wear, don't be worried about picking up a piece in floral, because this sort of floral design, they will always do. Like I remember seeing pieces from the 70s, and it's not exactly the same flowers, but it's so similar. And you will see sort of like in the last few months that even all their bags and everything like that, it's all vintage inspired. You see a lot of the floral bags and belts. So it never will go out of style. So I'm really glad to add this cute bomber to my ready-to-wear collection. So that is it, guys. Those are all the items that I have picked up. I am actually really loving this haul. I mean, there are certain brands that I have not bought in a long time or haven't even bought from before. So I'm really loving the Balenciaga and the Chloe and the Valentino pieces that I got. Remember to take advantage of the code. It's only valid for 3 days, I think. I will leave the end date in the description bar below, but the code is just Melbourne, 10% off. So that's always a bonus to save money. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite piece from the haul. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I will catch you really soon in my next video. Bye, guys.